Hi, welcome to Invest with Treasury. In this YouTube platform, I teach smart investment ideas using investment tools and platforms like the stock market, real estate, bonds, mutual funds, treasury bills, and others. Please always ensure to hook up with me on this platform every Wednesday, especially if you are interested in smart investment ideas. Today, I'll be teaching you how to invest in treasury bills using Invest Bamboo app. Please don't forget to download the Invest Bamboo app using my referral link below. That is the best thing you can ever do for me to encourage me to do more videos specifically for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, especially if you are coming across my video for the first time. So, if you are ready to invest in treasury bills, let's go there. Hello, you have been hearing about treasury bills. So this is how to buy your treasury bills in Invest Bamboo. So you launch the Bamboo app. Of course, you log in with your details, your password. So you are now inside Bamboo app. So what you need to do is you now scroll down. This is the total wealth. This is US stock, managed portfolio, NG stock, that Nigerian stock, fixed returns. This is Naira savings. Then this one is treasury bills. You want to invest in treasury bills. So when you go there, you now click. So treasury bills has a different maturity date. We have 82 days, 174 days, and 364 days. So depending on your risk appetite. But remember, the more the days, the more the profit. So remember, it's a long-term, a kind of long-term investment. But of course, some people wouldn't want to bear such risk. So let's assume you choose the one of 359 days. So let's assume we have 5 million naira to invest. So automatically, you're already seeing that your expected interest or profit is 1,02,094. That is 1,02,094 naira 36 kobo. So that is what you are saying. So remember that in treasury bill you collect your interest upfront, but you have to wait. Your capital have to be there till the end of the investment period. So that is why we say it's one of the most secure and safest investment out there you can ever do. But of course, it's good for people that have huge capital base. You get? So imagine when you invest such a thing like 5 million naira in treasury bills, it means that you're already cashing out above 1 million naira, upfront. So this money will be paid to you at the point of investing your 5 million naira. So you collect it upfront. You get? So that is how treasury bill functions. So what I'm trying to explain to you, let's assume we put that same 5 million naira within the shortest, a maturity time, that is 77 days. So you are going to get 160,317 naira 3 kobo. So that is it. So the higher the number of days, the higher the profit margin you get. So that is how treasury bills work. You get? So if you also try the same thing in the 175 days, the same 5 million naira, so you see you are going to get 171 days is roughly around 3 months or thereabouts. So you are going to get about 6 months. About 6 months. You are going to get about 376,505 naira 46 kobo. So that is if you're investing for 6 months, you get this amount. If you're investing for 1 year, you get above 1 million naira for the same amount. But if you're investing for 3 months, that means you get less than that. So this is how treasury bills work on Invest Bamboo. You get? So what are you waiting for? Are you going to invest in treasury bills today? I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.